Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindsay Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of stocks and shares and crypto with you guys as well. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. In today's video, we'll be having a look at Agree Realty Corporation. I'll be having a look into the company and also the shares. If you like this company, please give me an early thumbs up to show your support, and I would really appreciate that. Agree Realty Corporation is a public traded real estate investment trust primarily engaged in the acquisition and development of property net lease to industry leading retail tenants. As of September 2020, the company owned and operated a portfolio of 1,027 properties allocated in 45 states and containing approximately 21 million square feet of gross leasing area. So Agree Realty Corporation is creating opportunities by rethinking retail. They try and make sure that whatever they offer their customers, it gives them the best possible opportunity in the current circumstances. As you saw the previous video, they are looking at making sure that customers that want to go to the shops can go to the shops. Those of us that like to do online shopping and click and collect, we can do that as well. And that you can do online shopping and get it delivered to your house. They are trying to make sure that retailers get the best possible options to make the most of the real estate for us to be able to do the type of shopping we would like to do. Working with customers like Costco, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, McDonald's, Starbucks, Tractor Supplies, and a lot of other ones. So having a look at partner, you will see they partner up with companies that is in development as well. So sometimes they work with a company before they have actually built the building, and they work together to find out what is the best layout that to suit the customer and the client for functionality, as well as for them to be able to get long-term tenants. So here's some of the advice that they give. They also do partner with capital solutions where they invest the money to get the buildings built. So let's have a look at the investor side. So 138 total share return over the past 5 years, 13% compounding average annually total return since the IPO in 1994, and 107 consecutive cash dividends declared. So if we scroll down, you can see here is the overview, the press releases, stock information, SEC filings, financial information, the ESG, and the investor source. So there's a lot of information you can come and have a look at if you'd like to read through all of that. So this stock is trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ADC, and it's currently trading at 68.53. That is a daily change of 31 cents with a market cap today at 4.4 billion. So if we go down here, you can get all the latest news and all the latest developments. And here is all the facts, how many properties they own, in how many states it is that they own these properties, what is the square feet for these properties, and the percentage investment grade, so how much money did they physically put into these companies. Here's ADC in the news articles, things you can go and find on other platforms, not just on their platform. And don't forget to check out the ESG reports, because with these reports, they show how they work on their environment practices, their social responsibility, and corporate governance. So they can be very interesting sometimes if it's something you would like to have a look at. If this has been insightful so far, please smash that like button to let me know. And let's go have a look at the stock analysis at this point. So having a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see Agree Realty Corporation, ticker symbol ADC, is currently trading at $68.09. It has been very volatile over the last year with everything going on. So if we go down and have a look at it, the ratings, it's currently a neutral for SA authors. It's very bullish on Wall Street. and it's bullish on Quant. The value is a C, the growth is a A-, and the profitability is an A+. So having a look at the company, the sector is real estate, industry is a realty REIT, employees is 49, and it was founded in 1971, and it's registered in the United States. So having a look at the revenue, you will see in 2016 it was 91 million, 2017 111 million, 2018 137 million, 2019 187 million, 2020 248 million, and the estimated for 2021 is 331 million and 406 million for 2022, which is really great, and it shows you that it's growing year on year. Funds from operations, you will see the dark blue is the estimated and the light blue is the actuals. You will see the light blue, that is the actuals, is higher than the estimated every time. So that just shows the company is doing better than people think they will be doing. So profitability, gross profitability margins is 87.23%. The net income margin is 36.76%. Return on equity is 4.3%. And return on assets is a 2.47%. If we have a look at momentum, you will see ADC for the last year is plus 12%, where the S&P 500 is plus 62%. Capital structure, you will see the market cap is a 4.34 billion. The total debt is a 1.25 billion. Cash is 8.42 million. And others are 1.76 million with enterprise value of 5.56 billion. Having a look at ownership, you will see institutions are holding on to 97.90%. And individuals and insiders are only holding on to 2.10%. So if we go and have a look at the dividends, you will see the dividend yield is a 3.65%, annual payout is a $2.48, payout ratio is 70.92%, 5-year growth is a 10.4%, and the dividend growth has been for the last 8 years. It pays out 21 every single month, and this is a monthly dividend stock. If we go have a look at the dividend history, you will see the consistency grade that the dividend has been growing for the last 8 years, but the sector has only been for the last 1 year, and years of dividends being paid is 26 years, where the sector has only been 10 years. And if we go further down, you will see it used to be paying out quarterly, but from this year it started paying out monthly dividends. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support a lot. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So if you have a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see Agree Realty Corporation has a market cap of 4.329 billion, and the 52-week range is $55.49 US up to $72.68 US. So if we have a look at the earnings, you will see they beat the first quarter by a lot. The second quarter they outperformed completely. The third quarter they missed. The fourth quarter they beat it again, and we are waiting on the first quarter of this year. Having a look at the financials, you will see the revenue is quite high and the earnings are all in the plus as well. If we go further down, if we have a look at the recommendations, you will see it's a strong buy, a buy, and a few holds. The overall rating for this company is between a strong buy and a buy at a 1.5. If you have a look at the annualized price targets, the low is 67. It's currently on 68.09. The average is 76.04 and the high is 83. So if we go back up and go have a look at the holders, having a look at the majority holders, you will see 2.23 is held by insiders. I don't really understand how this is possible, but 104.75 are held by institutions, and 107.14 is floated by institutions, and there's 418 institutions holding this share. So top institution holders, having a look at BlackRock, they hold over 10 million. Vanguard's got 8 million. Then there's other few institutions holding onto millions as well, but I don't know them that much. Having a look at the top mutual fund holders, you've got iShares holding on to 3 million. Vanguard Specialized Real Estate Index Fund holds on to 2 million. Vanguard Index is holding on to 1.5 million. Then we've got iShares and Vanguard again. So I really like this company and the future growth that comes with it, as well as the dividends. So I will be buying shares into this company this month. At the moment, I'm looking at about 5 shares, all depending on what price it is at time when I'm buying it, as I only have £500 to invest into all my companies this month. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.